I am now in the bus station. I'm going to Brussels and it will take me around 3 hours to reach there.
Eventually,
I got to Brussels, guys. Nasakay na ako ng train. Siyempre, hindi ko na alam. Nagtanong na naman ako. Empty yung trains nila. Bababa ako sa Brussels. Brussels Central kasi nasa Brussels North ako. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Grabe. Naninigas ako. Mas malamig kaysa Amsterdam.
tomorrow.
Good morning, Brussels.
So I'm currently staying at Safe Stay Brussels, very close to Amsterdam Central. Only 5 minutes walk.
Look at this.
When the sun is shining, everything is just shiny.
I wonder if it's true gold though, or just a paint.
I think it's painted.
We are currently at the heart of Brussels Old Town. This place is called Grand Place. It's located in Groot Market.
This is like a Gallery de la Reine. Oh, I don't know if I read it right.
This is the Gallery of St. Hubert Gallery. There are a lot of shops, but unfortunately they are closed.
This pretty girl, she's from Germany. She's my roommate in the hostel. Oh, say hi, forgot.
Hi,
What's your name?
Janina.
Janina. Say hi to Janina, guys. See you around, guys. Oh, nice one. Look, this is nice.
This place is called Abbaye de la Cambre. Actually, the tourist spots here are very close to each other, so you don't need to ride. Just walking.
Let's go. See Brussels. Good thing in Europe you can travel by train or by car.
Yes. Although the train is relative, it's quite expensive.
Uh-huh.
Quite new. Doesn't matter how many years we haven't spoken.
So guys, ito daw yung palace kung saan nakatira yung king ng Belgium. So sarado siya, hindi naman tayo pwedeng pumasok. Look at the surroundings. We were just walking from the hostel. Ang ganda yung landscape nila dito.
That's why he's like seen as one of the worst.
The most hated person in the world.
Yeah.
This is EU Parliament. It's so big.
All this colonial history, where they murdered and enslaved thousands of people, they never talk about. Or they
On the way to the museum. Nakarating na kami dito, mga walang tao. So pabalik na kami dun sa ang lamig. Ang ganda ng lugar dito, guys. Kung gusto nyo lang mag-chill-chill. See. Nandito lang siya sa city center. Hindi mo na kailangang sumakay ng bus or train. Lalakarin mo lang siya. Actually, ang layo na naikot namin. Buti na lang may kasama ako maglibot.
That it's very touristic. They also try to like sell you everything.
That's the thing.
Be careful what you buy.
Dito kami ngayon sa isang park, which is maganda, walang ganito sa Pinas. Ang dami na naming napuntahan. Ang lamig dito, grabe. Magkape muna tayo, no? Chocolate pala. Sobrang lamig talaga dito, naninigas yung kamay ko. Ito. Hot chocolate daw, pero hindi naman siya hot. Looking around the city. It's already 3 p.m. It's very, very cold. Oh, is it the church?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We are going to that church. So we are in the botanical garden. See you guys here around Botanic. This is located somewhere in the north, near the North Station. So halos naikot na namin yung city. See the fountain and the statue. Palabas na kami ng garden. May iba kaming pupuntahan. Is this the
Yeah, that's
Oh.
also Hamamelis.
Hamamelis?
Hamamelis? Sometimes they actually smell. No, that doesn't.
Okay.
But some are smelling very, very nice.
So she said this flower only blooms on winter. So what happens to this plant when it's summer? It dies or its leaves?
Then you just see the branches.
Oh, okay. It just hibernates.
Yeah.
How does it
smell?
smell?
A bit, yeah. A bit.
Oh, yeah. Kind of strong.
Ja, dat is
Okay. Sa center walang gaanong ganito. Pulos mga ganito lang. Balik na kami dun sa pinaka-center. Hindi kami sumakay ng kahit ano. Naglakad lang kami buong araw. This is a shopping mall. And this place, I don't know, but it's nice. It's buildings.
That's the most fanciest Starbucks.
So, nakita na namin ang pinakamahal na Starbucks sa buong mundo. Oh, it's really Starbucks inside. Ang cute ng building ng Starbucks dito.
We are now in the shopping district. Let's see what we can buy here.
So I'm seeing a lot of people coming out. It's almost What time is it? Is it already 5? Sige, let's go na. Ang lamig na naman. Kakalabas lang namin sa shopping center. Shopping center pa rin siya. Dami pa rin tao. Somewhere. Oh, we're here. Diyan kami, malapit na yung hotel.
That looked so nice yesterday. Everything was orange.
Orange, but it's raining.
Yeah.
So, andito na yung hostel namin. Safe. This is my last hour in Brussels. Ang lamig, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Alam nyo guys, nakaka-stress talaga. Sa totoo lang, nai-stress ako. So, maya-maya aalis na ako. May biyahe ako papuntang France. So, mag-cross border na naman ako. Hindi ko alam kung kompleto ba yung requirements ko or what. Ako hindi ko alam kung may makikita akong kasama. Sana may makita akong kasama para hindi ako malungkot. Nahanap ko yung PC ko, hindi ko siya makita. Nabalik na lang ako. Anyway.